Hi, my name is Amar. In this video, I will discuss about Scratcher in Flutter using GetX. Here, I have created this project by using the getCLI tool. After creating the project in the pubspec.yaml file, I have taken the Scratcher dependency. After taking this dependency, I have synchronized the project. Okay. Now, I will move to the home view file and here I will write the code. As you can see, in the body, I have taken a center widget, and as a child of the center widget, I have taken a column widget where the main axis alignment I have set as center and the cross axis alignment I have set as center, right? Now, in the children here, I will take another widget which is called as Scratcher. Okay. Now, this Scratcher is actually provided by the plugin which we have taken in the pubspec.yaml file, right? Now, in the Scratcher, I will use child parameter. Now, in the child, I will take container. Okay. Now, inside this container widget, I will use the height and width property. I will set the height as, let it be 300. I will set the width as 300. Okay. And as a child of the container, I will take image, and in the image I will use the image attribute, and in the image attribute I will use asset image, right? Now, in the asset image here I will specify image slash, after that logo dot JPG. Okay. Now, here let me show you. In the project, I have created this image folder. Inside the image folder, I have taken this logo.jpg file. Okay, and this entry I have made in the pubspec.yaml file, as you can see here, right? Now, after that, let me save this. Now, I will use some more attributes for this Scratcher. I will use here brush size, let it be 10. After that, I will use threshold. I will discuss the meaning of this each parameter later on. Let the threshold be 50. Okay, and here I will specify color, and let the color be colors dot, let it be light blue. Okay. After that, here I will use on change. This on change will take the value, and here it will do something that I will discuss later on, and after that it is taking on threshold. Okay, and here also it will do something that I will discuss later on. Okay. Now, let me move to the Scratcher plugin site. Okay, here you can see the meaning of all the properties has been discussed. As you can see, this is the child property, that is the widget rendered under the scratch area. This means whenever we will scratch the widget, at that time what will be under it, that is displayed by using this child attribute. This means whenever we will scratch it, at that time we will be able to see the Ripples code logo. Okay. After that, we have enabled, which decides whether the new scratch can be applied or not. After that, we have threshold, which specifies percentage label of the scratch area which should be revealed to complete. Okay. Then we have brush size. The meaning of all these properties you can find from this particular site. Okay. Now, here in on change, what I will do, let me save this and let me show you the output till now. Okay. If you can see the output here, you can see this scratch area has been created. The color is light blue, and whenever we will scratch it, under this scratch you will be able to see the Ripples code logo that I will show you later on, right? Now, here what I will do is that in the home controller file I will create a variable. Okay, here I will create a variable, let it be where scratch progress. Okay, and let its value be 0.0, and let me make it reactive with the help of .obs, right? After that, here I will declare one more variable where is threshold reached, let it be false dot obs. Okay, now let me move to the home view file. Now in this home view file, in the on change, here I will write controller dot scratch progress dot value equals to value. Means whenever we will scratch it, at that time whatever value is there, that will be assigned to the scratch progress variable which we have defined in the controller. Okay, and in the on threshold means whenever the threshold will be reached, here I have specified the threshold as 50. Now whenever the threshold will be reached, what is the meaning of threshold, that you can see from here, percentage level of the scratch area which should be revealed to complete. Okay, so whenever the threshold will be reached, at that time here I will write controller dot is threshold reached dot value equals to true. Okay, now after that, here after this scratch widget, here I will take another widget, that is sized box. Okay, and here I will specify the height as 10, right? Now here let me use OBX widget. Now in the OBX widget, here I will take a text widget. In the text widget I will write scratch progress. Here I will display the scratch progress, right? Scratch progress plus controller dot scratch progress is stored inside this variable dot value. Okay, dot, let me convert it to string as fixed, and let me specify the fraction digit as 2. Okay, now here in the style attribute I will use text style, and in the text style I will specify a font size as 18. Okay, sorry, 18. Now let me save this. It is some error is there. Okay, now let me save this. Now once I save this, you will get a output like this. Okay, now here let me put a colon. Let me save this. Okay, looks better. Now here again I will copy this and I will paste the sized box. Fine. Now after this size box, again I will copy this text. Let me copy this, let me paste it here. Okay, now here I will display whether the threshold has been reached or not, and to do that here I will write the code controller dot is threshold reached. If the threshold is reached, dot value. If it is reached, then here I will display the message as threshold reached. Okay, here I will write threshold reached. Okay, and in the style let the font size be 18 and let me change the color to colors dot deep purple. Okay, and in the font weight I will use font weight dot bold. Okay, and if the threshold is not reached, then here again I will use the text widget, and in the text widget I will write threshold not reached, right? Now let me save this. Let me show you the output. Now here you can see scratch progress is displayed as 0.0 and threshold not reached is displayed. Okay, now let me scratch it. Now once I scratch, then you can see the scratch progress is increasing, right? And once the threshold will be reached, then you can see the message has been changed to threshold reached. Okay. Now suppose you want to reset this scratcher. To reset this, in the home view file I will create a reset button, and to do that I will simply copy this, I will paste it here. I will use elevated button. In the elevated button, in the on pressed, I will write the code to reset the scratcher. In the child I will use text, and here I will write reset. Okay. Now in the home controller I will create one more variable where scratch key. Okay. And better if I change it to final. Okay. Scratch key equals to, here I will write global key, and in the global key I will use scratcher key, sorry, it will be scratcher state. Okay. Now in the home view file, in the scratcher widget I will use key, and in the key I will pass the key which I have created in the controller. Right. Now on the button click, here I will write the code to reset, and to do that I will write controller dot scratch key dot current state dot reset. Okay. And in the reset I will specify duration. In the duration I will use milliseconds, and in the milliseconds I will specify the value as, let it be 2000. Okay. Let me close the bracket here, one more bracket will be closed, so I will put a semicolon. Fine. And whenever I will reset, at that time the is threshold should also be changed to false. So here I will write controller dot is threshold reached dot value equals to false. Okay. Now let me save this. Now let me show you the output. Okay. Now let me scratch it. Now once the threshold will be reached to 50, then you will see the message is changed to threshold reached. Okay. And whenever I will click on this reset button, at that time this has been reset and the message has been changed to threshold not reached. This is how we can use Scratcher in Flutter using GetX. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.